Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Skullcandy SLYR Pro wireless headset for either Xbox or PlayStation and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this headset's not working for some reason, like it's not connecting to your device or it's not pairing with Bluetooth or something like that. A factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason you want to get a fresh start with these headsets. Just do a reset on the hardware, wipe everything off of it so that we can set it up and pair it like it's a brand new set of headphones. We can go ahead and do this, and it's really easy to do. With the headphones on, we're just going to find the mute button and then this volume wheel. We're actually going to press down on the volume wheel and press down on the mute button at the same time. Hold it for about 2 seconds and then release it. And this will reset the hardware on this headset. You can go ahead and then reconnect it, repair it like you're doing a brand new device.